Heavenly Universe, we open our hearts and minds to the truths that liberate us. As seekers of light and truth, guide us to understand the deeper essence of our prayers and intentions. May we learn not just to ask, but to assume the role of the receivers, embodying the reality we desire. Illuminate our paths with wisdom and help us discern the practices that uplift us from those that may unknowingly hinder our spiritual and manifestational journey. Manifestation, a process rooted deeply in aligning one's thoughts and emotions with their dreams, holds the power to transform aspirations into reality. However, the subtleties of how we frame our prayers can either pave the way for success or set up unseen barriers. Join us as we uncover the dynamics between our spiritual expressions and the universal laws of attraction, and learn how to optimize your prayers to better serve your journey toward achieving your dreams. To fully grasp how some prayers can block manifestation, it's crucial to first understand what manifestation truly entails. At its core, manifestation is about aligning your thoughts, emotions, and energy with your desired outcomes. It operates primarily on the principle of the law of attraction, which posits that like attracts like. Simply put, positive thoughts will attract positive outcomes, while negative thoughts will likely do the opposite. Manifestation isn't just wishful thinking, it's an active process of setting intentions and aligning oneself to those intentions through thought and emotion. When you manifest, you're not just hoping for something to happen, you're energetically and psychologically setting the stage for that reality to unfold. This process involves clarity of thought, a positive mindset, and a belief in the possibility of achieving your goals. As we discuss manifestation, it's important to recognize the various forms of prayers people utilize. Broadly, these can be categorized into gratitude prayers, petition prayers, and affirmative prayers. Gratitude prayers involve expressing thankfulness for what you already have and for what is yet to come, reinforcing a sense of abundance. Petition prayers are requests made to a higher power asking for something specific, while affirmative prayers affirm one's ability and the certainty of receiving what is being asked for. Each type of prayer can play a significant role in the manifestation process, but their effectiveness hinges on the mindset and emotional state from which they are offered. A gratitude prayer filled with genuine thankfulness can elevate your vibration and attract more reasons to be grateful into your life. However, if such a prayer is recited mechanically or without true feeling, it loses its power. Petition prayers, when focused on specifics, need to be infused with belief and a vivid sense of already having what one is asking for. The pitfall here often lies in focusing too much on the absence of the desired outcome, which can inadvertently reinforce a state of lack rather than abundance. Affirmative prayers are potent tools for manifestation, aligning one's energy with the certainty and positivity of already having received. Yet these too must be crafted and utilized with awareness, ensuring they reinforce feelings of empowerment and expectancy rather than desperation or doubt. Understanding these dynamics is essential as we move forward, examining how certain prayers might not only fail to aid, but actually hinder your manifestation efforts. As we explore the nuances of how and why this occurs, we invite you to keep an open mind and reflect on your own practices. What kinds of prayers are you offering? Are they truly in alignment with the principles of manifestation, or could they be inadvertently setting up mental and emotional barriers that delay or block your desired outcomes? We will look deeper into the specific aspects of prayers that might be acting as blockades and how to reframe them to better serve your journey toward achieving your dreams. As we continue our journey into the intricate dynamics of manifestation, it becomes crucial to address the concept of blocking. how specific thoughts and prayers can inadvertently create barriers to achieving your desires. When it comes to manifestation, not just any prayer or thought will do. The quality and nature of these are paramount. Negative affirmations, thoughts, and words that focus on what you lack or fear can be particularly detrimental. For instance, praying out of fear of poverty or failure can reinforce these very conditions in your life. This happens because the law of attraction is neutral. It simply responds to your prevailing thoughts and emotions. Therefore, when your prayers are tinged with negativity or fear, they not only fail to bring about positive change, but may actually attract more negativity. The role of doubt and fear in blocking manifestations cannot be overstated. Doubt acts as a barrier, preventing the smooth flow of positive energy needed to bring your desires into reality. When you pray, if there is an underlying doubt about the worthiness of your desires, or skepticism about whether your prayers will be answered, you are essentially setting up a mental block. This block can prevent the manifestation process from unfolding effectively, as it keeps you in a state of disbelief or resistance. Desperation and neediness present another significant challenge. Prayers made in a state of desperation reflect a mindset of lack and urgency rather than trust and abundance. Such an emotional state is far from conducive to manifestation, which thrives on positive expectations and a calm certainty of outcomes. When you express neediness in your prayers, you are more likely to repel the very outcomes you hope to attract, as the energy you emit is one of lack rather than abundance. Understanding the nature of blocking prayers is key to transforming your manifestation practices. Let's consider common examples of such prayers, those that focus primarily on the absence of what is desired. For example, praying to overcome debt by constantly thinking about your debts rather than envisioning financial freedom can perpetuate the very situation you wish to change. This is because focusing on debt reinforces a financial struggle narrative in your life, keeping you trapped in a cycle of scarcity. It is essential to examine the language and sentiment of your prayers. Prayers that dwell on hardship, suffering, or unmet needs keep these themes active in your consciousness, thereby attracting more of the same. Instead, shifting focus to prayers that celebrate potential gains, express confidence in positive outcomes, and affirm your worthiness and readiness to receive can dramatically alter your manifestation results. The psychological impact of focusing on what one does not have is profound. It can lead to feelings of inadequacy and hopelessness, which are counterproductive to the law of attraction. These feelings not only dampen your spirit, but also your ability to envision and work towards a life of abundance. It's like looking through a lens that only shows what's missing, blurring out the opportunities and blessings that are right before you. In transforming your prayer practices, it is vital to cultivate a mindset of abundance and possibility. This means actively reshaping prayers to emphasize abundance, solutions, and positive affirmations. The transformation involves a shift from a scarcity-focused dialogue with the divine to an affirmative, confident conversation about your desires and their fulfillment. Moving forward in our exploration of manifestation, let's focus on how to effectively reformulate your prayers to support your goals rather than obstruct them. The art of crafting prayers that align with the law of attraction is pivotal in turning your desires into reality. It involves using affirmative language that highlights abundance, success, and positivity. Begin by examining the structure of your current prayers. Identify any elements of lack or negativity, such as, "I hope I don't fail," or "I wish I weren't so unhappy." Transform these into affirmations of abundance and positivity, such as, "I am prepared for success," or "I embrace happiness in my life." This subtle shift in language can have a profound impact on your mindset and the energy you project into the universe. It's important to focus on the feeling that achieving your desire will bring. Instead of merely asking for a new job, affirm in your prayers that you are already enjoying the work and prosperity your new job brings. Visualize yourself in this role. Feel the satisfaction and the fulfillment it brings. By aligning your emotional state with your prayer, you enhance its power to manifest. Next, incorporate gratitude into your prayers. Gratitude is a powerful tool in manifestation as it shifts your focus from what is lacking to what is abundantly present in your life. For instance, rather than merely asking for health improvements, give thanks for the health you have and affirm the continuing improvement of your condition. This not only elevates your vibration, but also cultivates an environment ripe for miracles and positive changes. As we refine our approach to prayers within the context of manifestation, the concepts of faith and surrender must also be addressed. These elements are crucial for releasing the outcomes of our desires to the universe, which in turn facilitates the manifestation process. Faith in the manifestation process is the trust that your desires will materialize as intended when the time is right. It's about believing in the unseen, maintaining a positive outlook, and trusting that the universe will arrange circumstances in your favor. Practicing this kind of faith removes desperation and doubt from your prayers, replacing them with confidence and calm. Surrender, on the other hand, is not about giving up on your dreams, but rather letting go of the attachment to the outcome. It means doing your part in the manifestation process and then allowing the universe to work in its own way and time. Surrender involves understanding that there might be a bigger plan, one that you cannot fully comprehend from your current vantage point. Balancing faith and surrender can be challenging, but it is essential for effective manifestation. It involves a dynamic of actively engaging in positive thinking and prayer, while also detaching from specific outcomes and timelines. This balance prevents the feelings of tension and anxiety that can come from trying too hard to control the process, and instead opens up a space for peace and receptivity. As we continue to refine our approach to prayer and manifestation, incorporating daily practices can significantly enhance your ability to attract what you desire into your life. Consistency in these practices not only reinforces your intentions, but also keeps you aligned with the frequencies of abundance and success. One of the most effective daily practices is meditation. Meditation helps to clear your mind, reduce stress, and promote emotional health, creating a fertile ground for positive thoughts and emotions. Start by dedicating a few minutes each day to sit quietly, breathe deeply, and visualize achieving your desires. Imagine the scenario in as much detail as possible: what you are wearing, who you are with, what you are doing, and most importantly, how you feel. This vivid visualization helps to embed your desires into your subconscious, making them a more pronounced part of your reality. Journaling is another powerful tool to aid manifestation. Each day, write down your goals, the positive outcomes you expect, and the feelings associated with these outcomes. Journaling not only helps in clarifying your thoughts and desires, but also serves as a physical manifestation of your intentions. It's a way to reaffirm your goals daily and keep your focus sharp and centered on what truly matters. Regular affirmations are also crucial. Begin your day by stating positive affirmations related to your goals. These could be phrases like, "I am capable of achieving greatness," or "abundance flows freely toward me now." Speak them out loud and with conviction. Affirmations help to positively program your mind and counter any negative thoughts or doubts that may arise throughout the day. Understanding how your prayers may be blocking your manifestation is a vital step towards achieving the life you desire. Throughout this discussion, we've explored how the nature of your prayers and your emotional alignment can significantly impact your manifestation efforts. By shifting from prayers of lack to prayers filled with gratitude, affirmation, and faith, you align yourself more closely with the outcomes you seek. We encourage you to reflect on your current practices and consider how you might adjust them to better support your manifestation journey. It's important to remember that manifestation is not just about asking for what you want. It's about becoming a vibrational match to your desires, embodying the change you wish to see, and opening yourself up to receive the abundance that is available to you. As you move forward, incorporate the daily practices of meditation, journaling, and affirmations into your routine. Each of these activities supports a positive mindset and fosters an environment where your desires can flourish and manifest. Keep faith in the process, surrender the outcome, and watch as your life transforms in more magnificent ways than you could have imagined. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of manifestation and prayer. May your journey be filled with abundant success, deep fulfillment, and profound joy. Keep nurturing your spirit, stay aligned with your intentions, and continue to pursue your dreams with heart and perseverance.